down to your last $500, here's what I recommend you do if you want to. Consider becoming a Pampered Chef consultant. Now, I know I've heard all the objections. Rudy, but I'm not a salesperson. I don't know how to do that. It's not in my wheelhouse. I don't have a lot of money. Those things are all just a bump in the road to really creating a home-based business for yourself where you can thrive. And I want to explain to you why. For one, joining a company like Pampered Chef is really super easy to do. You do not need to be a salesperson. Honestly, you don't. Because do you not cook meals for your family every day anyway? Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not like you're trying to sell insurance or real estate or something that may involve a whole bunch of training. Most of us already cook and serve meals every day. It's a natural part of what you're doing anyway, which is why it is such an easy network marketing company to get involved with right from the get-go. So that's bonus number one. And you really don't need to be salesy because, as I said, for one, you're going to be sharing the products with friends and family and new customers based on you're just sharing what you love to do in your own kitchen, sharing with others how you throw breakfast together or your favorite Friday night dinner in your house, or maybe how you batch prep and batch cook all the snacks for your kids for the week. They're things you're doing anyway. You're just now going to share that with others and show them the amazing products you're using to do it. And the products after that pretty much sell themselves. So if you're thinking, I'm not a salesperson, I get you, I really do. I'm not a salesperson either, and I've been with Pampered Chef for over 12 years now, and I'm not a salesperson. I wasn't then when I started, and I'm still not now. I like to eat, I like food, and I like to share that with other people. So it's a natural combination. And let's be brutally honest, come in here. I'm gonna tell you a little secret. When I first started Pampered Chef 12 years ago, I couldn't even cook. Like, I know, right? So not only was I not a salesperson, I didn't know how to cook. And here I am, I'm going to share and sell cooking tools to other people that probably cook better than I do because I did not cook. But that was part of the challenge for me, because that is one thing that I don't do, is back down from a challenge. So it was like, darn it, I'm gonna learn how to cook, so that I can be more knowledgeable about sharing these cooking tools with other people. But in all of that, I am still not a salesperson. So don't worry if you're not a salesperson either. And back to what I said at the beginning, do you not have a lot of money? That's okay, because it does not cost a lot of money to get started with Pampered Chef. We have a basic starter kit that starts at like $79, and then we have 3 other additional larger kits that you can buy to kick off your new business. But you don't have to buy the larger kits. You can start with the $79 starter kit. And if you host a party and use that party as your stepping stone to get your business going, it is really super awesome, because you can use your host credits to help pay for some of that kit. So depending on how little or big your party is, you could get $25 to $50 off the price of your kit. So if you just start with the $79 kit, but you have a decent launch party, you literally get $50 off of that. So you're paying $29 to start. And again, going up, the largest package we have, I believe, is around $250. And if you do the party and use the kit credit from the party, you're only gonna pay $200. So as I said in the beginning, down to your last $500, but you wanna start building a business and building an extra stream of income for yourself, Pampered Chef might just be the perfect fit for you. Now, those of you that have been following me for quite some time and are part of my Facebook community, you'll know that I often tend to market more to women than I do men. But let me tell you, we have so many fabulous guys on our Pampered Chef team. So if that's something you're thinking about, like, I kind of like to cook and I could probably do this, but I'm a guy, don't worry. I would love to welcome any of the guys out there to my team as well. Men do a fabulous job in the kitchen, and why not share in the joy of making memories one meal at a time with your own family and with your customers. And another great thing, once you get this rolling, you don't have to keep any kind of stock. There's no sort of auto ship or anything you have to do and have to buy and have to store every month. Most of your stuff is always directly ships from the warehouse directly to the customer. You don't have to handle any of that. And there's all sorts of perks and bonuses. Like many network marketing companies, there's all sorts of cars and trips to be earned, and we're always earning free product. Like, I love it when I get to show and share my kitchen with others, and people are like, "Oh, look at all the Pampered Chef stuff you have. Must have cost you a lot." No, I earned most of my products for free, which is just another perk of starting a Pampered Chef business. Not to mention the community. So not only 12 years ago did I start the journey to learn how to cook while I sell cooking tools to others, but I am now a part of a fabulous community of other Pampered Chef consultants, and we are just there to uplift each other, encourage each other. We're part of each other's lives now, beyond just the products and the company of Pampered Chef. A lot of us are at each other's like family events and all that sort of stuff. So there's a whole community of people in my corner now that I wouldn't have had if it wasn't for my Pampered Chef business. So if any of this sounds even remotely interesting to you and you think, yeah, maybe I could do that, it's not so bad. I just have to, flip an omelet or two in the morning, or, show people how I make a lovely dinner. It's easy. You're just gonna share what you're doing every day anyway. Even if you do other healthy kind of cooking, maybe you cook from scratch, maybe you do vegan or paleo. We have tools for everybody, for every kind of food and beverage, cooking, serving, all of it. So it doesn't matter that way. You could just share from your own heart in your own way and be authentic with your audience in how you choose to share the tools with others. And that will just attract more and more customers to you because they're going to resonate with that authenticity. So if this is something you're thinking about and you even just have more questions and you want to chat with me, no pressure, no obligation at all whatsoever, reach out to me. I would love to chat with you and answer all your questions. If you're liking the information I'm sharing here on my channel, please click like, subscribe, hit that bell so that you get notified when I post new videos. And just know that if you're following my channel, not only do I share my love of my connection with the Pampered Chef company, but I also share all the marketing tips and tricks with you as well. All the personal development and the mindset that goes behind being an entrepreneur are all going to be at your fingertips as well if you join my team. So I want you to know that in every aspect, if you consider this and you want to join my team, I'm going to have your back all the way, from showing you the best ways to utilize social media to how to promote your products, how to reach out to new people and make new connections, to email marketing, to YouTube channels, you name it. I'm going to be there for you hand in hand all the way, helping you with all the things. So if you're looking for an extra income stream, or maybe you're a homeschooling mom or stay-at-home parent and you just want an extra, or you want an income stream to add to the family budget, then this right here might be the best decision you ever made. So reach out to me. I would love to answer your questions and just chat with you a little more to see if we're a fit to work together. And stay safe, take care. We'll see you in the next video. And until then, reemerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better. See you in the next video.